Hello, this is SoGent. This is a multi-agent customer support system on any website of your choice, and it is powered by Google Agent Development Kit, which is ADK, and it can allow you to have conversations with any website and get support like a customer support agent. That's how it works. So we are going to be running it in a brief, and here's the prototype. And what we just need to do is just have a website of your choice that you wanted to have a query about, ask question, whatever. So we're going to be taking an e-commerce website, for instance. This can be any type of website. So now we can choose different website from our choice. So I'm just going to let's just use Amazon for an instance. And here I'm just going to ask a question now, just a greeting agent, and see it replies. And this is another question about give me the latest, and that gives me product information agent, because it's a multi-agent and all of them have different kind of agents in them. So let's ask another questions. This is just like a normal general questions. I want to reset my password, and it goes into Amazon, and then go search and then get me the information. So let's look at a product comparisons agent. Like I want to compare products, two different products, and this is what happens. Now I'm going to show you how this works within the ADK structure. Let us launch the ADK development toolkit and the web. I'm going to run in a port 8080. And let us look at how it works. So you see, it's a multi-agent. Now we have a root agent that then transfers to agent based on what we ask. Let's ask another questions about product information. So tell me about the latest iPhone. Now I'm looking for product information. So you can see that the agent takes the information and transfer it to product information, and is able to get the information out for me. Then also you can see from the flow as well in here. So that's what happens. It automatically dictates which agent that is required for that particular operation. And that is the essence of this particular demo. As you can see, it's able to get the product information, and we then structured from the code base to determine the using Pydantic to determine the structure of the output that I want. Let's look at a comparison agent. Let's compare these two products together. You see, it identifies the comparison agent, and it transfers the request to that particular agent because it's a multi-agent, which is pretty very good. And I'm going to show you this will happen. Then when it transfer, then it's the ADK is very flexible to an extent. It allows you to define the structure of your output, and I wanted to be able to get which product wins, the summary between the two of them, what are the differences between the products, and I defined that in the code base. So you're going to see, let me show you that how that is done with Pydantic, and also with the ADK API itself. Think about it. This just look at how the structure is being done. Think about it. This can be your API or whatever backend, anything. This is just a tool. Then you can then define whatever you want in it. That's how it works. Thank you very much, and you can extend to any solutions.